welcome. It's Makeup Tutorial Fridays with your girl, Tiny Doll Headley. If you are here for the first time, hi, how are you? So glad you're here. But for those of you who are returning, welcome back to my channel. Today I feel so colorful. I feel so bright and sunny. So I am going to do a very colorful look today using purples and pinks and orange and yellow. Yeah, we're going to have a fun time today. We are. Today I'm using the juviasplace palette, the Zulu palette. So to kick it off, I'm going to do my usual routine. You know how I do. Milk of magnesia, foundation, then we're going to go into contour, highlight. Or should I do brows first? Okay, I'm going to do brows after my milk of magnesia. Then we're going to do foundation, contour, and highlight. Right? I think I want to switch it up today. Right? And then we'll just take it from there. And you know what we do? Speed through everything else. So let's go. Okay, so today I'm using Perfect Precision in Deepest Brown and Brow Pomade Warm Brown by LA Girl to line my eyebrows and also to fill them out. I'm using the LA Girl Pro.conceal in medium beige to the bottom of my eyebrows and Fawn to the top of my eyebrows to clean around the edges. For foundation, I'm using Sasha's Kamaflage foundation in Perfect Caramel. For contour, I'm going in with LA Girl's Pro.conceal in Toast. Yeah, that's rolling. To highlight my T-zone, I'm using LA Girl Pro.conceal in medium beige, and I'm using a beauty blender for this makeup look today. Make way for the Sasha translucent powder. Mentioned before, in case you forgot, we are using the Zulu palette by Juviasplace today, and we're going to pack purple at the bottom, pink, orange, and yellow right on the brow bone. But before I get into the eyeshadow, I have to prime my eyelids, and I'll be using Buff by LA Girl Pro.conceal. Right, so as you usually do, speed through it. Here I'm using a flat fluffy brush to pack on that purple shade, and I add in an extra amount of translucent powder underneath my eyes in case of any fallout. To pack on that pink shade, I'm using a very small, rounded, dense brush. thin fluffy brush to blend that purple into the pink. To pack on the orange, I'm using another flat, fluffy, dense brush. To pack the yellow onto my brow bone, I'm using a flat, fluffy, dense brush. To pack the green and a teal shade, I'm going to use a very tiny flat dense brush. I'll be right back. I'm going to apply eyelashes and eyeliner. For blush, I'm applying the pink from the Zulu palette. Okay, so this is our final look. I do hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming. I do thank you for being here and for watching Makeup Tutorial Friday with your girl, China Doll Hadley. Do have a blessed weekend and I'll see you next week. Bye!